Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Cantika Kadita Tia Guntara and you can call me Cantika. I am student majoring in English education at Pancasakti University. So in this video, I will make video presentation about the novel that I have read. So this is my novel that I review or describe is Bumi Manusia by Pramudia Ananta. Bumi Manusia is a fictional novel with a historical drama genre that is set in the life of the Dutch colonial period. In this book, the life of a young native named Minke is also told. Minke goes to school at HBS or Hoger Burger School, which is equivalent to senior high school and is only intended for Arabs, Dutch, and native elite. Tirto Ardi Surjo, people call him Minke, but Nyai Ontosoro call him Sinyo. In the zone of a region of Wonokoromo, City B, so he was sent to school so that he would later become a regent like his father, but he refused to do so. As a native, Minke is a child who is good at HBS, loves literature, and has reading skills. And then this is proven by the fact that he is quite well known and recognized in Java because his writings are widely published in Dutch newspaper under the name Max Tollenaar, a pseudonym. However, the education that Minke received at HBS made him a person who respects Arab's nation, especially because of the teaching of his teacher, namely Jufrov Magda Peters. In Bumi Manusia, Minke really praises and respects Europeans and doesn't care anymore about Javanese culture as his native culture. Until in the end, Minke realized and discovered that the Arab nation he admired and respect was nothing but the oppressor of other nation. This was told in depth by Pramudia, who at first Minke respect and praised Europeans until finally he had the action he had done so far. The story of Bumi Manusia really began when Minke received a challenge from his friends named Robert Surhoff to go to Wonokoromo to meet a beautiful Indo-Arab girl named Annelies Melema. Until then, Surhoff became Minke's rival because they like and love the same person, namely Annelies Melema. However, Annelies actually loves Minke. Annelies' life is a beautiful, luxurious house with a Nyai named Nyai Ontosoro and her older brother named Robert Melema. In the novel Bumi Manusia, it is only Minke and Annelies who receive emphasis, but also Nyai Ontosoro. It is said that he was sold to the Dutch by his own father. This was done so that his father could occupy a higher position. Unfortunately, without a marriage bond, Nyai Ontosoro had to live with Mr. Melema, a person she had never known or known. Nyai Ontosoro has a feeling of revenge towards her parents, so she is determined to raise her own dignity through her knowledge. Nyai Ontosoro learned a lot from Mr. Melema, namely living like a European, reading various European books, learning to read and write, and company management. At first, Mr. Melema was very kind and loved Nyai Ontosoro, even though he had never married her religiously or legally. However, all that disappeared when the legitimate son of Mr. Melema from the Netherlands come to work in Indonesia and sued Mr. Melema. This resulted in Mr. Melema leaving Nyai Ontosoro, and the situation became chaotic. However, Nyai Ontosoro already had experience and learned a lot with Annelies, until finally they built a very large company. In this way, she proved to people that even though she was only a Nyai, she was able to be respected because of the abundant wealth obtained from her own suite and being an independent woman. After going through various very long and complicated obstacles, Minke and Annelies finally got married. They live very happy, and Minke's career is progress very well. Minke has also graduated from his school HBS with a satisfactory ranking, and Minke had achieved all the happiness until finally disaster struck him again. He was a very low and foul. Dutch law or nation has overthrown him. A nation has overthrown him. A nation he respect and admired. After Mr. Melema death, which is still a big question mark from the start, Mr. Melema legitimate son, who comes from the Netherlands, has described disrupted the household between Mr. Melema and Nyai Ontosoro, namely by demanding Mr. Melema assets which have long been managed by Ontosoro. Anneliese was also a victim because he was Mr. Melema's legitimate child. Anneliese needs to be returned to Europe and must be willing to leave Minke and Nyai Ontosoro. And then this is why was Nyai not included. This was because from the start Nyai was never legal married to Mr. Melema, so she had to give up on all the companies she had built with Anneliese Melema. And then Minke and Nyai Ontosoro tried their best to defend and protect the company and Anneliese, who were about to brought to the Netherlands. However, Europe law still does not favor indigenous people like them, Nyai and Ontosoro.